Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kochava attribution tracking in iOS app. Quick tutorial step by step. To connect Kochava attribution tracking in your iOS app, start by logging into your Kochava account. Navigate to the Apps section in your dashboard. Select the app you want to integrate Kochava with. On the App Details page, locate the SDK Integration tab. Download the latest SDK for iOS. Unzip the downloaded file to access the SDK resources. Open your Xcode project where your iOS app is developed. Drag and drop the Kochava SDK files into your Xcode project. Ensure to check the Copy Items if needed option. Next, navigate to your app's info.plist file. Add a new key called Kochava App ID and set its value to your unique Kochava App ID. In your app's main application file, import the Kochava SDK. Initialize Kochava by calling the appropriate setup method inside the application did-finish launching method. Make sure to include the necessary permissions for tracking in your project settings. For iOS version 14 and above, configure the App Tracking Transparency Framework. Request permission from users to track their data. Integrate the event tracking features provided by Kochava to monitor user interactions. Test the integration by running your app on a device. Check your Kochava dashboard to confirm the events and installs are being tracked. Once everything is set up, you're ready to leverage Kochava's powerful attribution tracking in your iOS app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.